In this case study question from the chapter Coordinate Geometry says two friends, Seema and Aditya, work in an office in Delhi. And in a Christmas vacation, they decided to go to hometown. So the C is Delhi here as for the question, and the respective hometown is A and B. Now, first for Seema, the hometown is A, and for Aditya, the hometown is B. Now, the hometown here is connected with train here. That means A as well, C with A, right? We have C is connected with A with a train, and B is also connected with C with a train. Now, based on this, we have to find the answer the following questions here. Let's say if I read the first part here. So first part says which who will travel more distance while going to the town. So we can clearly see that we have to get the length of AC and BC, and then we will determine which one is bigger. Now from here you can see that the coordinate of point A, the coordinate of point A is how much? Its x coordinate is 1 and its y coordinate, let me write on with different color. So the coordinate of A I can see is 1 and that of B is 7. For coordinate of B, I can see it is x coordinate is 4 and the y coordinate is 2. For town C, I can see the x coordinate is -4 and y coordinate is 4 here. Y coordinate is 4. As you can see, it's positive and x is negative here. Now, as I said, we are going to use the distance formula to find out the distance. Now, if I begin with finding the distance AC, well, the coordinate formula is what? Sorry, distance formula is what? This is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, if I get the length of AC, this is going to be x2 minus x1. Considering this, x2 is, let's say, if I take 1 minus 4, right? This is 1 minus 4 is what? 1 plus 4, that is 5. 1 plus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 7 minus 4. So I should show the working. This is 7 minus 4 whole square. From here, we can get the length of AC, which is 5 square is what? 4 plus 1 is 5, right? 5 square, which is 25, and 7 minus 4, 3 square is 9. So we get the length of AC as under root 34. Now, similarly, we can get the length of BC here. So applying the same formula, this is here, that is x2 minus x1 whole square. This is 4 minus 4, right? So it's going to be 4 plus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 4 whole square. So in turn, what we'll get, this is 16. 4 plus 4 is 8 whole square is 64, and plus this is minus 2 whole square is 4. So we'll get this as under root 68. Now we can clearly see that AC is 34 unit and this is 68 units. So we'll say that for the first part, we can say that Aditya, which is the second person whose distance is BC, is will travel a longer distance. Now, when I read the other part, that is the second part, it says Seema and Aditya plan to meet at a location D here, right? And D is represented by the midpoint of the line joining A and B. We have to find the coordinates of this point D. So if I join this point, that is after joining A and D, let's say this is A and B, sorry, this is A and B. There is a point D that lies somewhere between, this is point D that lies between A and B. So D being the midpoint, so we can find the coordinate of D, and the formula using the section formula, what we have in case of midpoint, the formula for finding is, say D I take x1. So that is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, and likewise y1 plus y2 upon 2. So we can see that the x1 plus x2, that is 1 plus 4 is what? 5. So it comes out to be 5 by 2. And its y coordinate is 7 plus 2, that is 9, right? So that comes out to be 9 by 2. So the required coordinate for the point D, which we have to figure out, comes out to be 5 by 2 comma 9 by 2.